What's going on, guys? This is Lee, aka Rolling Thunder, come back here with a pre-MOT video. Today, me and the good old Steed are heading down to the MOT centre. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of B-roll footage over the bike, a little bit of music, if I can find anything decent, of course. And we will talk a little bit on the way to the test centre and on the way back as to what's going on, when, why and how. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let us get into the video. So guys, here we are on the bike on its way to its MOT. Now I want to bear in mind that, well, I'd like everyone to bear in mind, should I say, that the bike has not been run properly for probably 3 months now. So the tyres are greasy, the tyres are a little bit on the soft side, if I'm honest. I've just replaced the brake pads front and rear. So in terms of performance, it's not going to be brilliant. It's not going to be terrible, but it's not going to be great either. So I just want everyone to be aware of that. Trying to bed in these new pads isn't always going to be an easy option, especially considering when I got muddy tyres from being in the garage. But the plan is for the bike very simple, very straightforward, nothing too serious. She's due her 25,000 mile service, so she's having a general look over. She's also having the timing belts replaced, valve clearances checked, and an MOT, which I've already said. That's the general gist of things for the moment. I do apologise for the state of the exhausts. It's not ideal. I personally don't like the way these standard exhausts sound. But like I said, it's only a temporary solution until the MOT is done and dusted, and then I'll be back to the full singing Terminioni's. Now the place I'm going is a place called BIKENUTS. They're based in Morden, if you're in the area. We're speaking to a lovely lad called Reese even. Chris, where the fuck did I get Chris from? But I've been speaking to him via email on and off, and he's going to be taking care of the work for me. Now without further ado, I'm going to skip to when we get there. So give me a minute and we'll be there. And here we are. Now bear me 1 minute, boys and girls, and I will be with you in a moment. Adios. Right guys, so there you go. The bike is now with a company called BIKENUTS. Unfortunately, Reese wasn't actually in the building today, so I couldn't actually ask him any questions or anything like that. However, I did get to speak to a nice young lad called Aaron, who is going to be a new subscriber to the channel. So thank you, Aaron. Also, just a little bit of feedback on BIKENUTS in general. They're a very good company to talk to. Reese and Aaron seem very nice, they seem very approachable, and I can't really say much more than that really. I'm hoping that by this time tomorrow I'll be able to tell you that I've actually got some decent news and I can bring the bike home. If not, it is what it is. But I'm not going to say too much more about how much it's going to cost or anything like that. All you really need to know is that it's a fairly reasonable price. And obviously, as you can see, there is no one around me, so I am free to talk. what else can I say about BIKENUTS? They're a small independent firm who deal with Ducatis, Hondas, Aprilias, Kawasaki's, Suzuki's, Yamahas, all the Japanese stuff. They also deal with some other random brands like Husqvarna, KTM and so on. But generally speaking, very, very good company to deal with so far. So with that, I'm going to leave you there. I hope you weren't too bored with the video. I hope it was a little bit more insightful than the last video that I did. And with any luck, we shall see you very soon back on the bike doing what I do best. Talking bollocks and riding like a maniac. So without further ado, this is Lee, aka Rolling Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, and by all means, stay safe. Adios! Also, I forgot to mention, I saw the damnedest thing today. Just walking along. No, sorry, I lied. I wasn't walking along, I was on the bus. I was on the bus, and I saw a geezer walking 2 ferrets. How fucking weird is that?